Marcel Ciolacu, Romania's ex-prime minister, is now talking about rebuilding the country. But how can you rebuild something you've helped destroy? For years, he was part of the very system that failed Romania politically, economically, and morally. This is not reconstruction. It's a cover-up in progress. Meanwhile, we plant something real. On May 31st, Flowers Day, people across the world offer a flower for kindness, truth, and remembrance. Because no corrupt system can grow where honesty takes root.